Welcome. If you want to change vibration settings in your iPhone 12 Pro, let's go for the settings. After that, we have to go for the sound and haptics, and here we can find the two vibration options. There's the vibrate on the ring and vibrate on silent, so we can activate them and deactivate by tapping on the switchers. When we scroll, we get also the sound on our ringtone and alerts. So let's move to the vibration. When we go here, we can turn off and turn on the system haptics vibration. And of course, when we enter, for example, on the ringtone, we can change the vibration pattern. And of course, you can make it for a very available alert here. So for the sent mail, new mail, calendar alerts, it looks the same. So that's how we can change the vibration settings on your iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.